Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're already subscribed, thank you, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So today I'm going to be showing how to fix a damaged app on macOS Catalina. So I'm trying to open this app, but it's coming up with the message it's damaged and can't be opened. So how to fix this? We need the application we called GateKeeper. I'll leave a link in the description box for where to download this application from. So once it's downloaded, you want to open it. At the moment, it's just asking me to go into system preferences so I can get it open. So we go to system preferences, security and privacy, and then click on open anyway, open, and there we go, we have it opened. So it works with the terminal. So here we go, it's open, and then it gives you three options: disable, enable, and number 3 being just to allow one single app to bypass the gatekeeper. So in this case, since we're just trying to open one app, we're gonna go with number 3. So select number 3 and then press enter, and then it's gonna ask you to drag and drop the app into the terminal window. So open the applications folder and drag the app onto the terminal window. Here we go, press enter, and then it's gonna ask for a password. So you put your MacBook password in there, allow it to load and complete. Once the process is completed, there you go. Now the app would now open as normal. So we're gonna close the terminal, then go back to applications, you open the app, and there you have it. The app is now opened. So guys, that's how you fix damaged apps that don't want to open on your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you. See you in the next one.